Baby, one check. Damn, I'm ugly?
Don't say that.
I mean business. You know my body. Phoenix doesn't care about black people. I hate it. So you see that? Get in the car, bitch.
Hello.
Should we say grace, bitch? It is November 2nd, Saturday. I'm back to vlogging because I've been catching up, obviously, as you see. Me and Phoenix are here doing our morning routine. Morning routine. So she's brushing. Morning routine.
Mommy, I want big water. Hey, big water.
Here, dry your hands. Okay, go in the living room. Alright, so it's 10:15. You know my body. It's nail appointment day. So damn glad about. I had a nail appointment on Monday, but Audrey got sick. Adri got sick. Gonna use my baby. She's at the tail end. Gonna have to repurchase soon. Daily refresh. It's good for the day today. I was sick obviously for the past week, and I got my period yesterday, and I made it to Pilates. I'm very grateful for that, but right now I don't know. I've been looking like a foot for a week, wondering if I'm even cute. You know, when you're at that part in your period, like, damn, I'm ugly. Hey. Stop it. Here, wipe your face. Damn. Like I was saying, got my period, feeling ugly, so I'm washing my face. Do my skincare and then start the day. So Phoenix is on the way to her daddy's house. Woohoo! Ready to see your dad? Not me. Yeah. Not me. Yeah. Baby, one check. Time to get these nails done. Oh, let me do a little TikTok. I'm that girl now. I'm like the cutest driver in the world. Hold on, let me turn right. The sun's about to leave. Oh no. I need to get a stand for my car. I'm playing no games about this Hyper SPF. I was really not playing. Like, I don't know what they put in this, but what it be doing to my skin, like after like the extra like hydration they got on it is unmatched. Like, it's thick. When the homeless guy started wilding. I mean business. Do you see this? Finger clap.
Now that love's taking over, I'm 100% sure that it's here to stay. I ain't got no issues standing in my way. I ain't going nowhere. You ain't going nowhere. So make it official. We ain't getting no younger, baby. When I'm ready to be with you, together for always. Don't have this to go through. Sickness and through health. I go crazy, baby. You got it? Let me know when you know.
It's okay? It's okay. You okay? Is it too tight? Yeah? Okay, daddy will loosen it.
Yo, you being bad.
You want somebody borrow you? You want a sticker for your board for later?
So Phoenix just woke up from her nap. So she being wild grumpy and don't want to skate. Crazy, right? I look so chic. Not too forceful. So this is the state of the apartment right now. Ridiculous. Laundry. We're watching the new Despicable Me. We're about to make breakfast and clean up because this is actually nuts how this happens in a couple of days. Mommy's over. Alright. Come. Come over here.
Oh, thanks.
No thanks?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm going to talk to the camera.
No.
Come on this side. And then you can go back. I have something in here for you.
What is it? What is it, Mommy? What
Okay, can I show you? I got this for Phoenix. Yeah.
I got this for. I got this for Mama.
You got this for Mommy? Thank you.
I got this for Phoenix. Hello. Hello to my class. I did the stuff.
Anyway, I've been wanting this. Yes, you can't take everybody's chair. Ooh. Phoenix, no baby, no.
Why?
Because it's not kind. Put it back. Thank you. I don't want to hear that. Our food is ready. That's Mommy's and this one's Phoenix. Chicken and rice. You want some sauce?
Yeah.
Okay. Want a little bit of sauce? No? Okay.
Yeah.
You like it?
I'm big.
You win?
I'm big.
Oh, you're big.
I'm big.
I'm having one of those mornings where everything isn't really going right, but I'm still grateful. Phoenix doesn't care about black people. Anyway, we're about to go vote. This is Phoenix's first election, and it's a woman president up on the ballot. How special, right? You gonna help Mommy vote? Huh? You gonna help Mommy vote today? A girl president.
Huh?
Yeah, a girl president.
Is it Mommy?
It's a girl president. You're gonna help vote today.
Not bowl.
Then what?
Not bowl.
All right, let's do this. Okay, come. Yeah, no, not your hand. So you're gonna vote right here. Let me show you how to vote. You can vote. You vote right here. She voted. Yes, for Democrat. It's just one of them days. That's all I got to say. So, you see how it's golden hour? You don't know what time it is? 3:26. 3:20 motherfucking 6, and it's golden hour. I hate it here. Jiggy over there looking anxious and shit.
I'm gonna be late for work.
How?
Guess up. Monkey ass.
First of all, you never cared about being.
Don't say that. I'm a manager.
Get in the car, bitch.
Oh, a mess in here, of course.
Stop it.
Oh, you wanna cut the cameras now?
Cameras ain't cut.
I didn't wanna step on her. Still no wash, huh? No rain, no water on this car. Achoo!
Nigga.
And then I didn't learn that
Brought
much.
us a Pepsi.
With no straw. I'm
With
not
no
a mother.
straw. Not one at all.
Getting weird. Why you swallowing? Why you cheesing?
Okay, so we're watching the fight. We got Corby, we got LA, and unfortunately,
Don't say that. Don't say that.
unfortunately,
Don't say that.
we're gonna zoom in slow.
You got me.
Nah, do that one more time. Yeah. Fuck is you talking about? Don't make me bring you back to 2017.
Why would you fall out like that? Cut.
Fight night. We all have bet $5 on Mike Tyson.
I said Bush, I'm the Bush.
All right.
And the Bush.
We all bet $5 on Mike Tyson. Unfortunately, O'Neal acted like he didn't bet on J. Cole, but his words said he betting on J. Cole, but he decided for the money he betting on Tyson. Therefore, his ageism
No, he said that.
Anybody that say it's scripted,
Win because it's scripted. He's an old man. He's somebody.
he's a nigga. Brownsville niggas don't get old. They fight.
Right, period.
Fight night.
It's on the show.
Daddy.
It's a insider. But do
It ain't no inside joke, man.
Yes, it is.
No fighting.
She mad because she don't get it.
I am mad.
I think this fight is rigged.
Don't ask me.
All right.
I've been said that. Don't try to search it up. I said
He owe me $5 by the way. He owe me $5.
You owe him $5?
No.
Yes, he do. He owe me. I'm not mad.
I mean, to be honest, even if it wasn't televised, they could still be rigged. Like, nothing should be trusted.
Right.
Nothing should be trusted.
Yeah.
Thank you, Capricorn.
You know my 15s fell apart.
Yeah.
Why you say yeah like you knew that was gonna happen? Man?
You came in the house. Oh, you was drunk that night. I forgot. You came when you came to my house after your night out. But like, look at my shoes.
You mind your fucking business and not be nasty. Yes, I was outside. But that doesn't mean my shoe had to. Oh wow, did we moisturize together? Oh wait, I need another coating of Vaseline because you got me fucked up.
It's makeup. So we're headed to ramen together. I think this is our first like
Ramen
restaurant
What's
date.
the name? Ramen?
No, we go to restaurants together. I'm bugging.
Yeah, we talking about
We're going to Ramen by Ra, and it's raining, so it's aesthetically pleasing.
Ramen by Bra or Ra.
You need to stop.
No, I'm being honest. I'm being serious.
And that's the sickest part of it all. Good, huh?
Let's get just soaking that right up. Oh, I just pulled out my fucking nose ring.
How do we feel about these glasses, guys? Do I keep them on for the outfit?
Oh my fuck. Let me see. Bitch! Ah! Yeah, man, I was gonna bring sunglasses too.
Well, I'm wearing sunglasses. I don't know. I was sweating getting ready. Turtleneck? Like what? Professional. You ready? How you from New York? How you from Flatbush? And you don't, how you Jamaican and you gotta wait for the light to be green? You happy? Looking around this you need like a soundtrack, like a Gossip Girl soundtrack behind you. What's the first word? You just did broth? Should we say grace, bitch?
I love the energy.
Oh my goodness! Is your broth different from mine? Or are they both like
it's different.
shit?
They're all different from one another.
I can't talk.
On the rise, you smell that? Hold on, can I taste your broth? You wanna taste mine? Brush my teeth this one, I took a shower, I haven't had sex.
Good for you.
How's your mouth? Oh, I like your broth. I like your.
I just a little chili oil for it, but.
Oh, you added chili oil? That makes sense.
Your broth.
I like your, like we made it. I like your broth. Oh my goodness, I'm actually enjoying the outdoor experience. No, let's not show off. I can't do chopsticks yet, which was a great suggestion. Oh, you're supposed to use the chopstick. Okay, new challenge, new day. All right, how do I do it though?
I can't.
Okay, how do I use chopsticks? How do I? Yeah.
1, 2, 3. So mirror that. Index finger on the top, middle in
Well,
the middle.
further back though, right?
Yeah, once at least.
Okay. Right?
There you are. You're doing it. You're doing it. So now just get comfortable.
Oh.
I'll feel you later.
Okay.
There you are. Just don't even think too much about it.
Just like it's separated.
Okay.
Lessons aren't included, people.
They really not. If you didn't catch the vibe check, pass the vibe test. Oh my god, okay.
You're so funny. Think too much about it.
Bacon, egg, cheese. Okay. Okay. I want the broth again. How was your steak? I got some of the chili oil. Is it gone, babe?
No.
Oh.
Yesterday was like not cold. It was
What's the drink? You got if you got extra steak, girl, no one will know. You could put it right on our plate.